Another beautiful morning on the farm, and the day begins before the sun is fully up. Our teams are on the move, tractors and TLBs heading out to keep the farm running smoothly. But first, a quick check-in. Daily tasks are discussed, responsibilities are shared. Around our office park, our maintenance crew is already hard at work, keeping the surroundings neat, green, and inviting. In the plantations, our trimming team ensures the trees stay healthy and well-shaped. Our compost heap is produced in-house, and it's where old growth becomes new life. Finally, the production team gets their hands in the soil, transplanting agapanthus and staking vibrant bougainvillea. These small touches today become the beauty of tomorrow. This is what a day on our farm looks like. A community in motion, a place where hands build, plants thrive, and purpose grows.